switch out your stretch springs on the tilt-up door. So this door, basically, it's a wooden door, one piece, and it swings up, and you have those springs on the side. This is already a side that we switched, and then we're gonna do this side. So the way to do it, basically, first of all, the first thing you're gonna need is maybe another person to help you lift it, because those are very heavy. This took a lot out of me to lift it up. Second thing is you're gonna need a 2x4, something to hold it up, because the way to do it is you'll need the door to be open all the way up. When I say all the way up, I mean like all the way up, like until there's no more to go. Okay, and so you want to cut this to fit exactly this door. All right, so is when I open this door up, I'm gonna have either you or another person. It's better if you have another person, like I said. Put this at the very corner of the side you're switching. It's nice to have another one of those if you want to put it on the other side. It helps. And then you want to make sure you got the right springs. We ordered this spring here. This is going to be a P728. That's very common. Well, it depends on where you live, I guess. We ordered these online. Can't remember the name of the company that sells them. We always buy from them. We don't see a lot of doors like this in Las Vegas. I'll do a job like this maybe once every 3 or 4 months, so that's pretty rare. All right, so let's get to it. Okay, so the way I like to do is I like to hook this piece to the bottom first. Okay. Okay, so now that I have my bottom already connected, I'm just gonna try to basically lift this as hard as I can and hook it onto this guy here. This requires force. Just go, pretend you're at the gym. There you go. First one's up. Go get the second one. Again, with the second one, put it on this hook on the bottom. And the second one goes up. Whew. All right, we're all done. Springs are different. Some of them, the end looks like this. Some of them doesn't. If you have a 2-spring system, you probably want to get something that's called this W hook. There's one with a seal at the end of it. Probably better. This is just what we had, so we just are reusing this. So make sure before you even start the job that you have everything you need. Make sure this is going to connect to your door. Make sure this fits with this, and also on the bottom as well. Now you also want to make sure that this screw here is in good shape. A lot of times this wood is all kind of chewed out, and then if you connect something to it, that will be potentially dangerous. This is very, I mean, I wouldn't say very dangerous thing to do, but it has some danger to it if you're not careful and if you're not looking at everything you're doing before you're doing it. To me, everything looks tensioned correctly. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take this board off. The door should stay up like it's doing right now. If your door just slams down, it means you did something wrong. You either have the wrong spring or you need to add more tension, meaning to make this line here shorter. Okay, sometimes you even got to move that screw to the bottom. If it's really hard to close, then it means it's too hot, so you want to kind of make that chain here longer.